Hey, thanks for stopping by at Mango Vans. We'll take a little tour, see what's going on in the shop. Hey, here comes an update from Mango Vans. I'm gonna tell you about a lot of the new packages and services that we're offering, kind of a jump start. Get you going, you got your van, you're not sure where to start, you don't wanna tackle all of it. Come in here, get the jump start, and this transit is Swivels, cut out the fans, and here we have our electric box, which is all Victron energy components. This right here is 200 amp hours. We got solar on the roof, charging from shore power, and the alternator. And now this client's gonna pick it up, take it home. You've already got all the hard parts done for you. Then you get to enjoy it, figure out your layout, do your bed and your walls, that kind of stuff, do it in stages. But you don't have to cut any holes or connect any wires. So in this power cabinet, oftentimes we'll build it in a box and it goes under the bed. But for this particular client, they wanted something that's gonna match their kitchen galley. So it's more gonna be out and looking like it's another work surface. What we've got is 200 amp hour Victron lithium battery, the 2000 watt multi-compact, the inverter charger, and that's gonna give you 110 power, but it also charges the battery when you're on shore power. And we've got the color control, which is a really cool monitoring system. It really gives you a lot of info on your battery system. As well as with the shore power, you're connected with a DC-DC charger every time you're driving. And we've got 200 watts solar on the roof. And we've already got these two max fans with their remotes, and all the fuse panels already wired up. So this client gets it home, they're just gonna plug in the fridge, plug in the laptop, charge the phone, run the fans, not cutting any holes, not connecting any wires, not having to worry about fuse sizes and amp ratings and all that stuff for wires and cables. They can just start using it right away too. So now that we're plugged into shore power, we can see here on the battery monitor, we've got 65 amps coming in. And on the color control, we're seeing a bulk charge coming in from the grid, 65 amps going into our battery bank. And we installed these swivels too. Sometimes folks don't want to mess around with having to disconnect your battery, unplug, running your airbag cables and all that stuff. So really convenient, just send it to the shop and we just have our own supplier for these really nice, thick, heavy-duty swivels that also don't add too much height to your seat. We're just wrapping up our latest Promaster. We're doing a lot of these screen slider windows from AM Auto. They're super nice. And it's a cedar and maple and walnut dream. Nice live edge countertop. Here's a little step up. That's another little hidden storage area, which is nice too. Keeps your feet nice and level when you're on the swivel. More live edge for this lagoon table. Maple cabinets throughout. Super nice, sturdy. Carried out the cedar inside too. And it's framed in aluminum, so it's super lightweight and strong, but still has that nice natural wood beauty. Nice tall floor to ceiling pantry storage in here. Nice deep big sink, which we're using all the time now. No more of those tiny little RV sinks. Good placement here for this isotherm, so you're not kind of yacht at eye level. A lot more storage, drawers, drawers, drawers. We've got 30 gallons of water on here under the bed. Outdoor shower up back. Here's the toilet. Hidden in this little drawer area. More pull-out drawers under here. And some more of the live edge. Another little kind of workspace, worktop table if you're sitting here in bed. So here's our latest custom build, along with rolling out a lot of these electrical packages, and we're still doing our good old-fashioned Promasters with the cedar tongue and groove. We got walnut cabinets, isotherm fridge, which you can see back here is the outdoor shower. This very nice mixer here for the hot and cold water. A couple of big old drawers for gear on these big, heavy-duty full extension drawer slides. Still wiring up all of our electrical, but it's another Victron package with 400 amp hours. So that's two 200 amp hour Victron batteries, the 2000 watt multi-plus inverter charger. We've got 300 watts of solar with a single panel. We'll show you that in a second. 30 gallons of fresh water, toilet inside. While we're back here, I'll show you the windows. These are from Turn Overland. Very good product. Double pane glass that you can prop it out like that. A lot of airflow. Then a nice built-in screen if you're someplace buggy like here in Florida. And then nighttime or anytime you want total privacy, all the shades are already built in. So very nice quality product. And we also have a roof deck. Here we've got a nice big deck hangout space. This is Ipe, which is also called Brazilian walnut. Super durable stuff like teak, so it's gonna weather really nice up here. Here's the huge solar panel, a nice 305 watt, 24 volt solar panel, and the max fan. Plenty of room for boards and all sorts of stuff up here on this rack. Now I'll show you another cool van. I like this van the best in the shop because this is my van. People ask what kind of vans we recommend. Well, I own a Promaster. This is basically our experiment lab where all the new stuff we try out before we put it in your van, we're gonna try it out here and test it out. The first really cool thing I want to show you is this new 12 volt air conditioner from Nomadic Cooling. In the past, we've been installing these really big rooftop units that also needed a ton of battery and a big inverter and huge cables coming to charge up your battery bank. But with this guy, pretty quiet, really cools a lot, and we're running this air conditioner, true air conditioner with a compressor and refrigerant. We're running it off of one Battleborn battery. We can run it for a couple hours. So then we stack up a bunch of Victron batteries and we can run it for way longer. So right now, we're running at less than 60 amps. Just started up, not sure if the compressor's on yet. But. So we got a lot of stuff going on here, just like with that electric box showed you in the other van, which is more like a kitchen cabinet that was out in the living space. We're building a lot of these small compact boxes with all your electrical needs. You can just install it under your bed. We're building a lot of these now, we have many on order. And a lot of other stuff in here we'll play around with when I get new windows, and we're trying to offer stuff that's really, really nice high-end with all the luxury and comforts like 12 volt air conditioning and huge Victron energy power banks. But we're also working hard to try to innovate with some stuff that can help us make things a lot faster and a lot more affordable for folks who are in a different price range. So we get new ideas, we get them in the shop, like super lightweight aluminum cabinetry. Test it out, see if it's any good. Maybe it's the sort of thing people want to try out. This is a cool little product we're playing around with here. This is a dry flush toilet. So let's say you just had your morning coffee, it's got to go somewhere. So it goes in these bags, and then it's battery powered, and that scoops it up. Then you've got a fresh new bag. Maybe that's not the product for everybody, We're doing a lot of Nature's Head composting toilets, cassette toilets, no toilet at all, dry flush toilet, another option. We want to see if it actually works, and it does, and stuff doesn't smell, and so interesting product. We're putting together all-in-one plumbing boxes so you can get everything for your own plumbing system for your van. There's a lot of stuff that folks want to take on parts of the build. Maybe doing stuff like wood and cabinets and the floor is going to be fun for you, but you don't want to get into plumbing. You don't want to be cutting holes. You don't want to be putting wires together of big expensive batteries. So we're putting a lot more modular systems together that we can put in your van. You get your van faster and at a better value if you don't want us to do the full custom build like we're also still doing, like you just saw in that blue van. Last thing was showers. It's another thing like a toilet. For some people it's a must-have, for others they don't want it at all. We do a lot of outdoor showers, it saves room, super functional depending on where you are. But for the indoor showers, we're building more of these now with the under chassis holding tanks for the gray water. You've seen in one of our previous videos the design that I personally like and have in my own vans is long kitchen countertop, flips up, open up, you have a wet locker, you get in and shower. It doesn't take up all this huge wall space and eat into your tiny spot, but we're still doing the ones with walls too. We're always coming up with new ideas of how to save space and make it super user-friendly. And again, we're offering a wide range of like totally custom high-end everything and fast turnaround, keep it on a good budget range. So give us your ideas and see what we can build for you. All right, well, thanks for watching, stopping by for a little tour of what we're doing today. Now in the fall 2020, really busy like every other good van builder should be. Still doing plenty of custom jobs, and as you see in some of our other kind of products and services we're putting together, all-in-one electrical and plumbing and jump starts, getting you your fans and windows installed, 12-volt air conditioners. So we've got a lot new cool stuff going on. Next year we're going to be introducing our own model based on the Promaster, still giving you some customization options, but we're just going to be turning these out. So many people are asking us if we have anything already built. So we're finally going to have a big old fleet of stuff up for sale. Coming soon, stay in touch. Thanks again for seeing us here at Magno Vans.